Remote Diagnostic Service. The Remote Diagnostic Service is the easiest way to check the condition of their vehicle without visiting a service center. Based on the results of the remote diagnosis, you can receive a faster and more accurate vehicle repair service along with the data collected in advance. Two different options are available accessing remote diagnosis. Depending on the situation, call the call center or make a reservation through the MyGenesis app. When there is a known issue or face emergency requiring technical consultation, request a remote diagnostic service through the SOS button on the overhead console or via Genesis Customer Center. When the remote diagnosis request is confirmed, the Remote Consultation Center will call the driver real-time to obtain consent and then start remote diagnosis. After the results of the remote diagnosis is out, follow-up services are provided as needed. Depending on the condition of the vehicle, you can receive follow-up services such as repair reservations at service centers, emergency dispatch, and towing. If repairs are required at a service center, the remote diagnosis data collected in advance can be used to perform more rapid and accurate vehicle maintenance. Even if you don't visit the service center, you can reserve a remote diagnosis through the MyGenesis app if the vehicle has abnormal symptoms or needs a basic inspection. Experience easy vehicle management by performing vehicle diagnosis conveniently at your desired time and place. To use the Remote Diagnostic Service, go to the Remote Diagnosis application in the service, the Maintenance tab in the MyGenesis app. Select the vehicle problem, and select the consultation time. A notification message will be delivered 10 minutes prior to the reservation time. Park the car in a safe place according to the notification message, start the vehicle, and wait. In accordance with the reservation time, the Remote Consultation Center will perform a primary remote diagnosis on the issue requested by the customer through the app. In addition, the diagnosis is performed on basic inspection items suitable for the vehicle. After the remote diagnosis is completed, you can check the results in the MyGenesis app and the inspection results of the basic items. If follow-up actions are required, you can receive real-time guidance during the consultation. Select a remote diagnostic service that suits the driver's situation and enjoy a more accurate and prompt vehicle maintenance service. Please refer to the Genesis official website for details.